If you want to connect a GoDaddy domain to your server, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to point your domain to your server IP using GoDaddy's DNS settings, and I'll also show you the optional setup for the www version of your domain. This is a simple process, but if you miss one step, your website may not load correctly, so pay close attention as we go. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Product section and click it. This is where all of your domains and services are listed, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right account if you manage more than one. Next, under the Domain section, find the domain you want to connect to your server and select it. After that, look for the DNS or Manage DNS option and click it. This will open the domain's DNS records, which is where you control where your domain points. Now you're going to edit the A record. The A record is the most important part because it tells the domain what IP address to use when someone visits your site. When you open it, set the host field to the @ symbol, which is @. That means the root domain, or your main domain without www. Then, in the points to field, enter your server IP address. Make sure you type the IP exactly as provided by your hosting provider or server setup, because even one wrong number will send visitors to the wrong place. Once both fields are correct, click Save. At this point, your main domain is pointed to your server. If you also want visitors to reach your site when they type www before your domain, you can add a CNAME record as an optional step. To do that, create or edit the CNAME record and set the host to www, then set the points to field to your domain name, like yourdomain.com. This helps make sure both versions of the address work properly and keeps your site looking professional and consistent. After entering that information, click Save again. Now comes the last step, and this part just takes a little patience. DNS changes do not always happen instantly. It can take about 5 to 30 minutes, and sometimes a bit longer depending on propagation, so don't worry if your site doesn't load immediately. Refresh your site after a few minutes and check whether the domain is now pointing to your server correctly. If everything was entered properly, your website should start loading from your server shortly. So to recap, you signed into GoDaddy, opened My Products, selected your domain, went to DNS, updated the A record with @ and your server IP, optionally added the www CNAME, saved the changes, and then waited for DNS to update. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your server. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.